Let's take a quick tour of the objects in order system. These are base cards. A base is your space for objects and exhibitions, and you can start your own base for free, add up to 100 objects, and create up to 3 exhibitions. Let's take a look inside a base, the Museum of Objects. All your objects are organized and instantly accessible. Search, filter, sort, or perform a custom query to find exactly what you need. And adding new objects is really simple. Let's take a look at an object. Here's the data we've added for this Turner painting, along with object files on the right. And you can add image, audio, video, design, and text files. You can zoom in, and you can add captions, alt text, and rights information. Now notice how streamlined and intuitive this feels. How do we make this happen? Blueprints. Blueprints are customizable, purpose built forms for your objects and exhibitions. You can create custom blueprints for object types, exhibitions, other projects, and groups of objects. We'll take a look at the paintings blueprint. When you set up a blueprint, you can use your organizational standards and add and arrange your own custom fields with your preferred terminology. You can rearrange fields and rows via drag and drop. And you can add and update blueprints as your collection or project evolves. Let's add an exhibition blueprint. We'll call it Over the Moon. We'll choose exhibition for the blueprint type, and we'll start with a template. Back to objects. Let's filter by blueprint. We'll select Over the Moon, and these are the exhibition objects. You can preview to see images and captions. You can generate a custom PDF. You can download JSON data, and you can create a module or exhibition. Let's build an exhibition. We will enter our title and we'll select an exhibition type as a starting point. Let's go with number 1, which is minimal, clear, and focused. Now we'll select our exhibition blueprint and we will add our sections. So we have 4 thematic sections here. Then we're going to add the other pages we want to include and we'll review and create. This is the exhibition builder, and in the viewer at right, you'll begin on the home page. You'll see all the other pages you added, and in settings, you can style the look and feel and adjust publishing settings. Let's go to the object manager, where you can organize objects by exhibition section. You just drag and drop into your preferred order. You'll set up your pages using blocks, which you customize using the Universal Editor. Let's add one of our images to the home page. We'll select the file and we'll add it. And it's easy to select placeholder headings and text and just enter or paste in your existing content. And you can select sections of text and add bold or italics. You'll build your pages using blocks for audio, video, and of course, objects. As you create, you can view and explore the exhibition in preview mode. This turns off editing and turns on interactivity. We'll check out the object list, click on a work, and zoom in. Go forward, and we'll go back to home. And when everything's in order, it's time to publish. If you need to make updates later, just make the changes and republish. You can publish to an objects in order URL, or you can map your exhibition to a custom domain. One more thing, our API lets you access your base data to create custom interfaces and specialized solutions for your website, mobile experiences, or gallery kiosks. Here, the Museum of Objects site uses the Objects in Order API to access data from the Museum of Objects base. So now that you've seen our system in action, sign up, start a base with up to 100 objects for free, create a few exhibitions, and discover what's possible.